I'm gonna try to fix it up. Let's check. Hey everyone, I'm back. Just opened this off the box and now, whoa, this one looks weird. Yeah, I just got this off the box and I'm gonna install it now. I did have time to install it last time, and yeah, sorry about the studio. I was traveling and I wasn't able to update everything. The lights are off. I'm waiting for a new light here, kick light from a mate. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna do the fixing here. I'm using JM's, what is this, canvas. You threw it away. I got it. Anyway, new phone. Here's my skateboard. So basically, I had to remove the motors and make sure that where's my drill? Hold on. Yeah, I had to like remove the motor, and it's still having that funny thing, funny movements, funny whatever that was. So I decided to buy a new motor. Here it is. I'll try to test it out and see how it goes. Apparently, I forgot where I placed the remote. Anyway, I'm going to start disassembling it. Usually, if I'm going to do this, I would want another camera on top. But for this case, nah, who cares? Just going to try to remove the motor like I've did this before. And I removed the motor. I don't know if I filmed it, but I just want to get this done and over it because I need to do some editing in a few. And I'm backlogged also on my vlogs. Oh shit, it's not opening. Come on, mate. So, yep. Might do a fast forward for this because, far out. This is the new motor. Let's test it out. Fingers crossed. Oh shit. It's the ESC that's not working. I fucked up. Come on, mate. It's the ESC that's not working. I messed up. I need to buy an ESC. The guy gave me a promo of getting a good price for it, but I didn't grab the promo. Fuck. Okay, fuck it. I hate myself. Cutting the video now.
Derby Street.
Fucking hell, that looked like my Corolla. It's too dark here. Let's get closer. Fucking hell, that car looked like my Corolla. My blue badass Corolla. Damn. There you go. Sweet Corolla. My Toyota Corolla DX. Yeah, that looked like it. I had the blue one, and that one has the same tail lights. Okay. My mate coming over here.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
How are you going? Quite dark. My camera.
Patugno, bebe.
Skater boy! Skater boy! Come in!
Happy tugno, bebe.
Marunong pa yan sa akin, JM.
Ito.
Sige.
Dami ko. 49 kilometers. Tapos kaganina, 34.
Yabang relo ah.
Anong 49 meters? 12 kilometers.
Bis nga eh, tapos
Loose yan.
sumap na mo. Skate ka na.
Balancer man siya. Labo
Oo.
na bugat. Masyadong loose.